None of us are gonna sleep. Now I will kick you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, let's talk about my hair because I'm so in love with it. It's so freaking pretty. But yeah, finally it's wedding day today and I'm so excited. We're supposed to be leaving right now. We're actually running late by a lot. But yeah, I'm excited. It's really a nice venue and all my cousins are gonna be there. So let's head on. Hi!
एक दिन कभी जो खुद को तराशे मेरी नजर से तू जरा हाय रे आँखों से तेरी क्या क्या छुपा है तुझको दिखाऊं मैं जरा हाय रे एक अनकही सी दास्ता दास्ता कहने लगेगा सुभान अल्लाह जो हो रहा है पहली दफा है वल्लाह ऐसा हुआ सुभान अल्लाह जो हो रहा है पहली दफा है वल्लाह ऐसा हुआ खामोशी से बातें चुन लेना उनकी डोरी से तारीफें बुन लेना हाँ मेरी खामोशी से बातें चुन लेना उनकी डोरी से तारीफें बुन लेना
कल नहीं थी जो आज लगती हूँ तारीफ मेरी है खामखा तोहफा है तेरा मेरे
Mama, how was the wedding until now? superb. It's actually so pretty. I was surprised. They've been playing such nice Hindi songs. Okay, so this is where we're gonna stay for the night. It's honestly so freaking pretty. Like, guys, look at this. I'm obsessed with this wedding. Bachcho. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. We're supposed to change now. So 3, 2, 1, go. We're ready. Let's go. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but we just got ready for the night. Okay. I thought they stopped. But yeah, we just got ready for the night. I will do an OOTD later. Everyone's getting way too many pictures. I can't even speak.
ये तो दिलों का वास्ता खुल के बताया जाए ना सुभान अल्लाह जो हो रहा है पहली दफा है वल्लाह ऐसा हुआ सुभान अल्लाह जो हो रहा है
Okay, so finally I found some peace.
Hey guys.
The dhol stopped. Shut up.
Welcome back to my channel.
Are you done?
Yes.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, good. The dhol finally stopped, so I can finally speak. I haven't been able to say anything because the dhol has been going on continuously since the second we got here. First we had the whole barat, and then we got in, we changed and stuff because we had to. And now we're in much more traditional outfits. We'll be in total South Indian attires tomorrow, at least I will.
Yeah.
So, yeah. What's the time right now?
It's currently 10:15.
It's currently 10:15 and the whole ritual thing is like starting right now. It's starting now.
Yeah.
But it's actually
Ciao. Anyway, so
fun, you know? It's been so freaking long since we attended a wedding. But we're finally here. And we're gonna have as much fun as we can. We already are because the venue is just so pretty. I was honestly not expecting anything like this at all, but it's just so pretty.
So, are you gonna end this now?
Yeah, we're gonna end this and go enjoy the rituals. Enjoy? Maybe just like, you know, make reels.
सुभान अल्लाह जो हो रहा है पहली दफा है वल्लाह ऐसा हुआ सुभान अल्लाह जो हो रहा है
Beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in. And you. Listen
setup is supposed to be for tomorrow. It's not even totally ready and they already want pictures, especially my mom. Dinner for the day is done. We're all gonna sit and binge watch on K-pop content tonight. That's what we're gonna do. Pura swinging flowers are there. That's so pretty. my legs are hurting as fuck. I couldn't really do a total OOTD today, but I remembered, so here it goes. I'm wearing this grey Sharara. It's so flowy. And I paired it up with this pink dupatta. It actually had a grey dupatta, but that was kind of very gross. So I paired it up with pink and got these pink chambaliyan from Mirror. I don't even know if you guys can like hear me right now, but this is the best I can do with 8 full rooms of people trying to get some sleep. This is the end for day 1. We're gonna sleep and wake up. I don't even know if we're gonna sleep, but like we're gonna sleep and wake up tomorrow and get totally traditional.
ಒಂದೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಲೈನ್ ಇದು ಇದಲ್ಲದು